Hello, everybody. Welcome to Life Insurance Information. This is Chad McMahon with Protect with Insurance. And this guide is the Life Insurance Advanced Guide to saving money and getting the best policy. This won't be a long video. This is just going to touch on a few things. I'm going to teach you the easy way and the hard way to save a ton of money and get the best possible life insurance policy that you can. So let's just dive right in. First of all, the easy way is this takes all the pressure off of you, the effort off of you, and it's getting answers much faster, and it opens up your day to do whatever you want to do. The easy way is you simply work with the absolute best possible independent life insurance agency that you can. It doesn't have to be us, by the way, and I mean that sincerely. As long as you work with an independent agency that has a strong reviews, they've been established, they've been doing this a long time, and most importantly, they only access A-rated life insurance companies, and they pull from just those A-rated companies, a bunch of them, to get you the best possible pricing. So as long as they do that, you've got a 99% chance of getting the lowest prices you can with solid life insurance companies. Companies that are not going to go bankrupt, companies that pay the beneficiaries when the time is right to do that. Now that's the easy way, and their network is what you're leaning on there. You want to utilize their network, because if you go to the actual life insurance company that provides the policies, they will assign you a captive agent, and that's not really what you want unless you're going to be doing it the hard way. The hard way is you go to the different life insurance companies that you decide, I want to work with Mutual of Omaha, Foresters, American Amicable, Americo, Gerber, whatever the company is. You hear something good about them, you call them up. They will assign you a captive agent, an agent that is within their individual network and doesn't have access to these other companies. And that agent is going to sell you really hard on working with that company. But what you do is you get a quote for that company for whatever it is that's a good fit for you. And then you say, okay, I'll call you back. And then you call up the other life insurance companies and you do the same thing. And you're going to want to do this with at least 10 companies if you do this the hard way. This is sincerely the way to get the best price. This is the hard way. Or again, you do it the easy way. You have a real solid agency that's not going to waste your time, and an agency that's going to take care of you, and have them do that shopping for you. And if they are organized like we are, then they should be able to get you answers within 5 to 10 minutes tops on the phone. They shop those companies. You can always ask them. You can say, hey, I want a list of all the prices that you're running. You can verify that they're truly doing it. And that way you know, okay, well, they're actually doing this for me. They've shopped these 5 or 10 companies, things like that. So that's the hard way, is you go to independent insurance companies. They assign you a captive agent. They each give you a quote, and then whatever is the best price based on what you're looking for, then that's what you go with. But again, the easy way is the agency will do all of that for you, and it takes about 5 to 10 minutes instead of hours and tons of research. Now, in terms of what is the best policy, I just want to briefly touch on this, and then we're done. Best policy depends upon 2 things. 1, living benefits, and what living benefits are the best fit for you, not for your loved ones, your beneficiaries, but for you. The other aspect, and remember, this is an advanced guide, so that's why we're touching on this. The other aspect is what are the goals of the policy? What are your goals? What are your loved ones' goals? What's important? Is it little income replacement? Is it financial gift? Reduce the burden? If you're passing, is it to cover the mortgage for a while? Is it for burial, cremation, funeral service? Is it travel expenses upon your death? Is it, all these other things? So the policy obviously needs to take care of satisfying the goal or excelling at that. And then the living benefits, maybe you don't care about that, in which case it's just about shopping the lowest price. But if you do care about that, you can actually save a lot of money while you're alive. Life insurance policy doesn't have to just be about your loved ones and your passing. It can actually save you money on dental, prescription medicines, eyewear, legal fees. There are policies that have these built-in programs or membership programs, or it could be living benefits that lock in protection for you if you get a critical, terminal, chronic disability diagnosis, where the life insurance company will actually send you this money while you're alive if you get any of these diagnoses. Also, there are living benefits that protect your mortgage payments if you have a mortgage, where you don't have to make your mortgage payments if you get certain diagnoses, where the life insurance company will pay them, and it does not negatively impact your policy. There are policies that protect your premium payments, your monthly payments, where if something surfaces, like you get a disability of some sort, they will pay their own premiums, meaning you don't have to pay them anything back. They pay themselves out of their own coffers, and it's paying your premium. You're in good standing, and they can do that up to a certain length of time. Some companies are 6 months, 12 months, or even longer. Well, they'll do that if you have some sort of issue like that, or you lose work for some good reason. That's happening a lot right now with coronavirus. So bear this in mind as you move forward. Ask your agent about that, but just make sure you have a real open, thorough conversation with your agent about what do you want to accomplish, what's most important to you, how much coverage do you really truly need. And a good agent that's worthy of your trust, worthy of your valuable time, is going to look at that, and they're going to shop for you. It's not for them, it's for you. So they're going to shop for you. They're going to find something that's the best possible fit, and then you can have a conversation about it so that you just do it right one time. One time, get it done, get into a good program, and then you've got one person that you can always call if you have questions, need anything. So I hope this has been helpful. Please reach out to us at hello@protectwithinsurance.com if you have any questions, if there's anything else you'd like to see in these videos. Stay safe out there.